Other notable bands from the 60s, including the Beach Boys and Jefferson Airplane, enriched the decade's musical landscape with their distinct sounds and cultural relevance. The Beatles, originating from Liverpool, transformed the music scene with their groundbreaking songwriting and timeless classics, sparking a worldwide frenzy known as Beatlemania. Their influence continues to resonate with new generations. Emerging from Los Angeles, the Doors fused rock with blues and psychedelic elements, renowned for their electrifying live performances and Jim Morrison's magnetic charisma. Their music challenged norms and captivated audiences. Through their early hits, the Beach Boys crafted a carefree image of California, embodying the lively beach culture. Their melodies encapsulated the essence of joy and sunshine. The Byrds innovatively blended folk and rock, pioneering a sound that would influence countless artists. Their distinctive use of instruments and harmonies set them apart in the music scene. Despite changes in lineup, both bands preserved their artistic integrity, demonstrating resilience through various challenges. Their music remains timeless, capturing the essence of their respective eras. Creedence Clearwater Revival's lineup, featuring John Fogerty and his brother Tom among other musicians, toured extensively in the late 60s and early 70s. Hits like Proud Mary struck a chord with audiences. Although John Fogerty achieved success in his solo career, he never musically reconciled with his brother post-breakup. The band's impact on future rock generations remains unmistakable. The video also highlights influential musicians such as Jimi Hendrix and the Velvet Underground, showcasing their unique styles which significantly shaped the music scene. Their experimental approaches set new standards in rock. The Velvet Underground's debut album is now celebrated as a landmark record, underscoring their significant influence on alternative rock and experimental music. Their sound boldly challenged the conventions of their time. Jefferson Airplane emerged as trailblazers of psychedelic rock, addressing social issues within their songs. Their iconic album, Surrealistic Pillow, featured anthems that resonated with counterculture themes. The Grateful Dead cultivated a unique musical identity, emphasizing live performances over hit singles. Their genre blending and devoted fanbase contributed to their legendary status in rock history. Their openness to diverse musical styles allowed them to create a distinctive sound, deeply resonating with their cult following. This adventurous spirit distinguished them in the music landscape. Tragedies within the band's history, including the loss of key members, shaped their narrative and elevated their legendary status in music. Their influence endures, even after disbandment. Founding members Phil Lesh and Bob Weir continue to perform, ensuring that the essence of the Grateful Dead lives on for newer generations of fans and musicians alike. Simon and Garfunkel's split in 1970 resulted from creative differences, yet they occasionally reunited, showcasing the enduring strength of their musical connection. Their solo careers flourished, particularly with Simon exploring world music. The Mamas and the Papas, formed in 1965, seamlessly blended folk and pop, captivating audiences with their unique sound and vibrant performances. Their music serves as a nostalgic reminder of the carefree 1960s. Despite initial success, the Monkees grappled with internal tensions stemming from their manufactured origins, prompting them to seek creative control. Their catchy tunes ultimately defined the soundtrack of a generation.